Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to restore messages icon in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to restore message icon here, if your message icon is missing from here, so let's see how can you restore it back. So the very first thing, you have to locate your messages app or your message icon. It might be somewhere in any folder in your home screen, or sometimes it might be moved on through your app screen. So here's the messages icon. If you want to get it back to your home screen or in this section, you just have to swipe up, keep a long press on your messages icon, and get this top. Once you are home screen, just select the place where you want to place it. Once you have selected, just release it and it will done. So in this way, you can easily restore your message icon and Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.